Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akinish. So in this video, I'll be going to give a quick review on my new phone, Samsung Galaxy F62. So when I was searching for a new phone, I was in a confusion that whether to buy a 4G device or a 5G device. So I was in a confusion, and at that time I saw an offer for Samsung Galaxy F62 in Flipkart. So it was like the offer was like the phone was available for around 18,000. So I checked many reviews in YouTube and some blogs. So there was many reviews about the phone on internet. There was very mixed opinion about the phone. Many were saying that the phone has some heating issues. Some are saying the phone is not at all worth the money, and some are saying it is very good. And later on, after everything, I just looked into the features on the phone and the price which I was getting it. Like it was around 18,000, because the actual price, the MRP of that phone is around, I think, around 29,000. So I thought it is a best deal, because even 2 or 3 weeks before, I just checked the rate of that phone. It was around 24,000. So I thought it is a best deal, and I thought the features are very close to what I was expecting. So in this video, what I'll be going to do is, I will not going to tell all the features and all things, because which is written in the box. I'll not be going to say and repeat all the things, because it will be available in the website also. So I'll be just going and reviewing in the sense how it feels in hand, like how the feel of a user after using it for around 1 month. Overall, I can say I like the phone. It is satisfying, because with using of Axis Bank debit card, I got around 750 rupees off. It was like I got the phone for around 17,250. So this is the box of that phone, because I'm recording this video in the same phone, so I don't have any spare camera to show the phone. And I will also share some of the pictures which captured in the same phone. So overall, the display is top. I can say the display is a very good thing in this phone. I can rate 9 out of 10 for display, because it is a Super AMOLED display which doesn't have high refresh rate. Just 60 Hz refresh rate we are getting in this. Next, about the battery is of 7000 mAh, which lasts even more than 1 day. And in box they provide 25 watt fast charger. It is like it takes around 1 hour 50 minutes to full charge in the sense from 20% to 100, I can say, because I didn't drain it fully and I didn't check that. It was like around 1 hour 45 or 1 hour 50 minutes to charge from 20 minutes to 100. So overall, I can say I can rate around 8 or 9 out of 10 for battery also. The processor is Exynos 9825, which is flagship processor. So one thing I can say is processor is actually good, but the thing is many were saying in some of the review videos I saw, many are saying that when you play in games it lags or something. The reason is it doesn't lag. I tried with playing PUBG in the sense BGMI, Battlegrounds Mobile India. So I played the game, and in some cases what happens is, if the phone is already heated up, in the sense when you put the mobile into charge, it gets heated up a little bit. Even after suddenly by removing from the charge, and if you start playing, the phone is already heated up, and what the phone will do is it will try to reduce the heat. The processing is like, it will just reduce the processing capacity, because just to reduce the heat of that phone. After 5 to 6 minutes, the heat of that phone will be get reduced, and after that it will provide a good processing speed. When the mobile heat come to control, the game will not lag then. So that is a small issue. I cannot say it as an issue. When you are playing, sometimes it feels like lagging, if the phone is in heat. So when the heat reduces, it gets automatically it gets automatically crop out. So that is the one thing about processor. Coming to the camera, it has 64 MP quad camera setup. Camera works very well. The front camera is 32 megapixel camera. Even front camera also nice, works very well. As you can see, this video is getting recorded in the front camera of the phone. And about the rear camera setup, that is a 64 megapixel setup, main camera, and other three are 12 megapixel and 5 others. So overall I can say camera performs very well. I can share some of the shots which is taken in the camera of the phone. I can share it now. And for camera also I can rate around 8 or 9 out of 10 because there are many features. Slow motion works very well, and bokeh mode in camera works very well, and many other features are there. All are works very good. So I love the camera of this phone. And when finally comes to the pros and cons, I can say the pro is first thing is display is a very good thing in this phone, and battery backup is also very nice. Camera, so even processor also I can say a pro only itself because it performs very well. When it comes to cons, I cannot say it is cons because one thing is the phone feels bulky because it is very thick, not that very thin phone, and feels very heavy in hand because the weight of this phone is like it is a little bit high because of the 7000 mAh battery maybe, but phone feels little heavy in the hand. So that is the one thing I can say. And one more thing is the back panel of this phone. I don't think it is very good quality plastic because I felt it is a little cheap. Because one thing is if you're getting this phone around 17,000 or 18,000, it is the best deal to buy. And as I forgot one thing to mention in cons, that is this phone doesn't have carrier aggregation. So that is one thing I can say. After all, the phone is very good deal if you're getting it around 17 to 18,000. As of now, if you check the price of this phone, it is around 24,000. So I bought the variant of 6GB 128GB. So this is a new try which I made to review one phone which I bought. So till now I was uploading some different kind of videos. So this is a new try. If you like the video, please do support by subscribing my channel, hit like button, and if you have anything, just comment your opinions. And thank you. Thanks for watching the video.